What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bosco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. About to go ahead and check out this Ross. About to do another 15-minute shopping challenge. I got 15 minutes to see if we can find some steals. I got some other things to do, so let's go ahead and see. This might be good for you if there's somebody out there trying to source on your lunch break or your time might be limited. You guys can still find some stuff in 15 minutes. Just got to know which section to go to. If you like what you see, smash the like button. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know in the comment section below, you dig? Okay, we're outside the Ross, and as soon as we step inside the doors, the timer will start right now. So 15 minutes. How you doing, bro? Okay, so we're back in the women's section. I don't know if any of that stuff recorded. We're back in the women's section right now. I did find this Team USA tee, $24. It did not come up. I said we were going to start in the women's section because that's what did good for me last time. I was at a Ross. That was a few days ago. I don't know if that first half of the video recorded or not. It looked like it was blank. But what I said was, we have 15 minutes to see what's up in this store. If we find anything, see if we can find something in 15 minutes. Nothing that really stands out. Adidas, but that's not what we're looking for. And those margins aren't too good on that. 15-minute challenge. Okay, so the women's active section was actually trash, which is unfortunate because this place is getting more stuff. Let's go ahead and dive into this men's athletic and see if there's anything here. I'm saying, because we have 15 minutes, I don't want to hold anything up. That baseball stuff don't be working for me. $40 for 14 might be something to come back and check out. USA Polo. Believe me, I'm going fast, but I know what I'm looking at. I know what I see. So if I see something, I will let you guys know. After looking at the whole first aisle, I didn't find anything. We came to the second aisle. I see this Adidas thing, but it doesn't look too good. I looked it up. It didn't come up for me. Still looking through here, man. Maybe it's just a bad day. It be like that sometimes. Some days it hits, some days it don't. Flying through this stuff, sometimes you can miss some things too, but I'm double, triple checking them. Under Armour, $19.99 for 30. Under Armour, $14.99 for 34. Oh, and it's not looking like one of those times, but we can never say never. It's looking kind of slow right now, but you never can say never. You gotta just keep looking through. Like I said, we got probably like 10 minutes left on the clock now. They're going through both the men's active tops and the women's active tops. I did not find anything, nothing to find for what I'm looking for, so that's unfortunate. We're gonna go ahead and look at these shoes. We got like 6 minutes left on the timer. This might not be the best video today, y'all. I don't know what to say. 7 minutes left on the clock. 7 minutes left on the clock. In the shoes, we're gonna look as fast as we can until my timer goes off. What about these Adidas? These ones might be something, so let me hold on to them until we check everything out, because that might save the video. That just might save the video. What are these? Are these some Kyrie fly traps? Oh no, Under Armour hovers. $45. I thought they were some damn Kyrie fly traps. We got these cleats here, like the orange and black colorway. Okay, let's go ahead and look at these shoes and see if there's anything over here. But we did find one thing, so if the timer goes off, we got one thing to look up. So they got more of these Don issues and these Chinese New Year's over here. 39 bucks for those also. What are these? We'll take a look at these too. So far, so good. Or not so far, so good, but so far we found two things to kind of save our trip. Let me get these out the way. Slide on down here. Slide on down here. We're just gonna look into the sound until the horn goes off. What about these Vans here? Have y'all seen those before? Let me know in the comments below. RBX. What are these Adidas? What are these right here? This might be something else to look up. So there's 3 items, 3 finds. We're gonna come, there's 2 of them, there's 3 of them. We just wanna look and see anything else that we get on camera. Okay, we got these on deck too to check out. Okay, so we got at least 3 to 4 shoes. We got them shell toes again. I don't know what them shell toes are. If you guys do, let me know. These ones right here, some type of special edition. I like the colorway of these Adidas right here though. And then the last aisle for the men's shoes. Looks like this. Okay, these be having some pretty good resale on them too. We're gonna look those up too. The weightlifting shoes. And that's kind of it. So let me scoop. We got those two. And then we got these. So within our 15-minute challenge, we still got 4 minutes left. So we got 3 shoes, possibly a double or triple up on those. So let's see if we can find anything else with this 4 minutes left. I thought we had something. Puma suede, 29, not really. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out and see what we got here. Plus I found another pair of these. These guys are just down here chilling on the clearance. I don't know if these are on clearance or not. But so we got 5 items. 4. Not a bad look so far, y'all. And 15 minutes. We still got 3 minutes to spare. 3 minutes and 51 seconds, so 4 minutes left. I feel like we kind of good. I think we got something that's a winner in here. Of course, we won't know until we check it all out. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Still 3 minutes and something left to go, man. That's fire. They got grade school stuff there, but they don't usually have anything. Like I said, these 15-minute challenges are good for if you have like a 30-minute lunch break or even an hour lunch break. You want to take 15 minutes of it to go sourcing for some stuff. You guys can find stuff if you know what you're looking for, if you know the area of the store. I know where the women's active is. I know where the men's active is. I know where the kids and men's shoes are, and women's. I didn't check any women's shoes because I was going to the men's, because this is where I found more men's shoes recently anyway. Let me know what you guys think overall. Have you guys done this? How's your stores looking? Lately, they've been seeming to warm up. This is still kind of keeping with that trend, but we got to see what's happening in the next few days and weeks. Of course, give me that feedback in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and look up these items. Okay, first shoe we checked out is these. How much did they want for them here? $33. So they want $33 for these. Pretty clean shoe if you ask me. I like the colorway. I like the design on it. Here we go. The comps are what they're asking. Somebody asking for 109, 65s, mainly in the 60s. Let's go ahead and see if there's been any been sold. My timer still got time left. 90, okay, 50, 67, 60. So for me, the comps don't seem too good. But they have been selling recently though, February 22nd, 19th, 17th, 14th. So, you know, these have been selling recently. Let me know what you guys think. I think I'm gonna pass on this though, because it's just not enough meat on the bone for me, even though I do like this colorway. I do think they're pretty fire. I'm curious to see what's up with these pink shoes right here. These ones are pretty dope. They are men's shoes, and the materials on them they use are pretty clean too. So let's go ahead. Have you guys ever sold that before? Superstar minimals. Okay, these look pretty good. These look pretty good. What everybody's asking for them. Okay, we got a for sure shot on these because they're only asking $35 for these. 119, 120s. Let's go ahead and see what's up. Okay. Nothing sold for these, but you guys saw what they were asking for them. I like this right here. 1 to 10 scale. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? And there goes my alarm. 15 minutes. So we did come across a super W for these right here, bro. Comment down below what you guys think. Next, we got these up. They want $33 for these. 105, 84, 109. Adidas Original Lifestyle. Pretty dope. What do you guys think about these? Let me see if there's any comps on them. Ooh, February 20th for 84. February 7th for 139 from Taiwan. That's crazy. Only 2 sold, but there are some comps for them. And they did have 3. I think I'm gonna grab my 1 and see what I think about it. If I get some good feedback over the next day or 2, I'll come back and see if I can find more of these. But what do you guys think? And then last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and check out these weightlifting shoes, which I heard a lot about. They want $40 for them. Let's go ahead and see what the comps are on these. Powerlifting, hundreds, what everybody listening for. They want $40 for them here. Let's go see what the comps are really quick. I have like an audience of people watching me right now, so I'm whispering a little bit more. 109, 109, 69, 90, okay. So these are looking promising right now. These are looking good. So $40 for at least 100. Okay, so out of everything you guys see here, let me know what you guys feel like is the best find. Like I said, I think the pink ones are the best ones, but we're gonna take all of these except for these first ones, just because I don't feel like enough meat on the bone for me. But let me know what you guys would do in the comments below. Hopefully this is coming out together, but you guys see what this is. A pretty good haul. 15-minute situation, 15 minutes to get this stuff. We found some great deals. You guys can find some stuff if you know what you're doing within 15 minutes. If you like what this video has to offer, hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig? Best find in the store. Do you guys agree? If you guys like this type of content and want to see more people like myself, go ahead and hit the link in the description. We got Tap Bar, we got Harry Tornado, and we got a couple other people too. Just go ahead and hit the links, check out their videos, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, you dig? Big location, come here all the time. Did not get a chance to check out the women's section, but we definitely will next time. Hopefully you guys did enjoy that video. Smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig? Perfect.